Tom was a small boy who lived in a big house between two hills. Today was his birthday, and he was very excited. His parents had promised him a special gift. Tom hoped it would be a bicycle because he loved watching kids ride their bikes in the park. In the morning, Tom woke up to the sound of a bird singing outside his window. He looked at the sky and saw it was clear and blue. He quickly put on his favorite black shirt and boots and ran downstairs. "Happy birthday, Tom!" His parents cheered. On the table there was a small box wrapped in colorful paper. Tom opened it and found a shiny bottle of lemonade. He smiled, but he felt a little disappointed. Was this his big birthday gift? "Come outside, Tom," said his dad. Tom followed him to the garden. There, under the big oak tree, was a brand new red bicycle. "Wow, this is the best gift ever!" Tom shouted. He jumped on the bike and started riding it around. His blonde friend Sally came over to see the new bike. "Can I try it too?" Sally asked. "Sure," Tom said. They took turns riding the bike all morning. Later, Tom's mum called them for lunch. She had made sandwiches and brought out a delicious birthday cake. "Let's eat first," she said. After lunch, Tom and Sally decided to take the boat to the lake. They put the bike in the boot of the car and drove there. The lake was calm, and they had a lot of fun rowing the boat. By evening, Tom was tired but happy. "This was the best birthday ever," he said. His mom smiled and said, "We are glad you're happy, Tom. You're the better version of us, and we love you so much." As the sun set, Tom looked at his bicycle one more time. It was perfect. He felt lucky to have both his family and friends who made his day so special. The bill for the bike might have been high, but seeing Tom smile made it worth it. That night, Tom went to bed dreaming about all the adventures he would have with his new bike.